Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1796. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface 1796 won't charge at all, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to various reasons such as a faulty charger, a damaged charging port, or even a dead battery. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, and eventually, your device might not turn on at all. With that in mind, let's dive into the tools we will need for this repair. You'll require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning any residue. First, ensure your surface is powered off completely. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around, being careful not to damage the clips holding it together. Once you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component, usually secured with screws. Carefully unscrew and remove any screws holding the battery in place. As you do this, make sure to keep track of the screws, as you will need them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be cautious while doing this, as the wires are delicate. Once it's disconnected, take your replacement battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely in place before proceeding. After that, place the new battery into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now it's time to carefully reassemble your surface. Align the casing and press down to snap it back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Before you finish, it's wise to check if everything is functioning correctly. Plug in your charger and see if the charging indicator light illuminates. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Surface 1796. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you're using a compatible charger and keep the charging port clear of debris. Regular maintenance and avoiding excessive strain on the charging cable can also help prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.